Hello friends, welcome to this video of AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. In this video, I will be discussing few questions which were recently asked in the certification exam along with their explanation. Mostly the questions are straightforward related to AWS services. So, in order to clear the examination, mostly we need to focus on the AWS service, different services which is provided by AWS and what kind of offerings those services give us. So let's begin with the questions. So first question is, which AWS cloud service provides recommendations on how to optimize performance for AWS services? So in this question it is asked like how can we improve the performance, which AWS service can suggest us the improvement. So the correct answer is AWS Trusted Advisor. So Trusted Advisor helps by providing the recommendation of the service. It gives a recommendation how to improve the performance, how to monitor and improve the underutilized instances. So the correct answer is AWS Trusted Advisor. The next question is, which of the following are valid benefits of using the AWS cloud? So as you know, the cloud, the most common benefit of using AWS cloud is we can easily provision IT resources quickly, and also as a company and organization can go globally without investing in infrastructure, without making huge amount of capital. So option B and C, as you can see, option B is ability to go global quickly, and option C, fast provisioning of IT resources. So these two are the correct answer. Next question is, which AWS feature can be used to launch a pre-configured EC2 instance? Whenever there is a pre-configuration, there is a service called Amazon Machine Image, and Machine Image is helpful in pre-configuration of EC2 instance. With the help of Amazon Machine Image, a user or organization can easily configure all the related requirements and then create a Amazon Machine Image. Using this Amazon Machine Image, EC2 instance can be quickly generated and launched. So the correct answer is B, Amazon Machine Image. Next question is, according to AWS shared responsibility model, which of the following is a responsibility of AWS? So as part of shared responsibility model, the infrastructure is managed by AWS and the policies, rules, these configuration, these are managed by the user or the customer. So the correct answer here is updating the firmware on the underlying EC2 host. All the responsibility of infrastructure is managed by Amazon, and customers are responsible for further update or patch. One thing is to notice, like whenever there is some update or patch to be installed on EC2, that will be handled by a customer, but for underlying EC2 host, AWS are responsible for updating the firmware. So correct answer is A. Next is, which AWS service provides a managed software version control system. So this software version control system is similar to GitHub, where we can manage our code into a single repository and commit further changes, which will be easily handled and managed by GitHub. So similar to GitHub, AWS provides code commit, which is a software version control system. So the correct answer is AWS code commit. Next is, for what purpose would a cloud practitioner access AWS artifact? So AWS artifact is helpful to give us security and compliance documents. So whenever there is a need of compliance document, AWS artifact will be used. So the correct answer is B, gain access to security and compliance documents. Next is, which of the following represents a value proposition for using the AWS cloud? So as a customer, if you want to use the different offerings without investing heavily in the infrastructure, we can make use of AWS cloud. Also, there is no need of long term contract for the infrastructure and the servers provisioning. That is the benefit of AWS. So the correct answer is B, it is not necessary to enter into long term contract. So for AWS, in case of reserved instances, the contract is for 1 year to 3 years, but based on need, we can go for on demand instance or the spot instances where the contract duration is not there, based on the pay as you go model. Based on the time it is used, the AWS makes the billing for us. The next question is, a company needs to publish messages to thousands of subscribers simultaneously using a push mechanism. So whenever it's a publisher subscriber model, so if a company wants to publish a message to thousands of users at a time, then AWS gives us this SNS, Amazon SNS, simple notification service, which is helpful for pushing thousands of messages, publishing messages to thousands of subscribers simultaneously. So the correct answer is Amazon SNS. Next is, a cloud practitioner needs a tool that can assist with the viewing and managing AWS cost and usage over time. So AWS provides Cost Explorer. As the name indicates, it is for exploring the cost of different services. And the final question is, a customer needs to determine total cost of ownership for physical isolation. So whenever there is physical isolation, there will be a dedicated host which will be used. So correct answer is dedicated host. In the next video, I will be discussing again few more questions which we are asked in the certification exam. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also please subscribe my channel for latest updates and new videos. Thank you.